इस बीच अरुंधति राय जो है एसबीआई चेयरपर्सन एक बार फिर से बोल रही है, ये सुनते हैं हमको।
If you're comparing YOY, you compare YOY. So I think, you have to understand that all of these things have a seasonality impact, because of which everything is compared YOY and it is not compared sequentially. Traditionally, in the first quarter, we've always had higher slippages. If you go back 3 long years, you will see that 2013, I think 2014, it was 11,000 crores. 2015, it was 9,900 crores. And this time it is 7,300 crores. So if you look at it on the basis of YOY, actually the slippage numbers have come down substantially. And I think, we also need to understand what is the quality of the slippage. For the first time, we are seeing that the mid-corporate slippage has come very much under control. And the main slippage that has occurred is mainly in the retail area. Now, retail area again is very effort elastic. Retail and agri. Agri always has a problem in the first quarter, mainly because people wait for the sowing to come back and start renewing their KCCs. And that is going on full steam right now. There is a lot of pullback already on the agri front. On the personal front also, there is already a lot of pullback. Again, in the first quarter, traditionally we have had a little problem in following up these loans because there are a lot of movements, promotions, transfers. So traditionally audits. So there is traditionally a little bit of a problem in the first quarter on this in this particular area, which is very effort elastic. But if you look at overall, for the first time in the last 8 quarters, we have seen much lesser slippage in the mid-corporate area. The only area where actually NPAs have gone up, and you have not got that slide, but if I can just quickly give you those numbers, the spread of the NPAs, just hold 1 minute. Come up with
which one do you want?
Yeah. So if you look at large corporates in June 14 was 1,441. Now it is 1,026. Mid corporate was 24,632. Today it is at 21,468, down by 3,164 crores. The only area where it has gone up is SME, where from 15,373 it has gone to 17,260. So there is a growth of 1,887 there. In the area of agri, it has come down from 11,884 to 10,856. In retail, it has come down from 3,499 to 3,272. And in international, it has come down from 3,605 to 2,540. So basically, that is how the 60,434 is down to 56,421. Now, as you all know, when an economy goes into a tailspin, the first accounts that get hit are the SMEs. And the last ones to recover are the SMEs. And therefore, I think, it very clearly shows the trajectory that the economy is taking. The fact that the economy is slowly recovering means absolutely clear from these numbers themselves, because for the first time, as I said, in very many quarters, we are beginning to see the lessening of the stress in the mid-corporate. Our hopes are 2 to 3 quarters down the line, the portfolio will stabilize completely. Even in the SMEs actually, and Sriram can probably give a little more color to that, we are seeing that the loans above the 20 crore bucket are showing visibly less strain. And the maximum strain is still being seen in the 1 crore and less bucket. So these are the smallest of the small loans where we are seeing still the maximum amount of stress. So overall, I think, the stress picture is much better. And with some amount of confidence, I can say that the recovery is having a beneficial impact on the books.
रिकवरी इज हैविंग बेनिफिशियल इम्पैक्ट ऑन द बुक्स, लेकिन थोड़ी स्लो है रिकवरी। हालांकि एसबीआई चेयरपर्सन ने इंडिकेट जरूर किया कि एटलीस्ट जो कॉर्पोरेट्स का स्लिपेज है, खासकर छोटे कॉर्पोरेट्स का, उसमें कमी आई है। हमारे साथ आशु मदान जुड़े हैं, उनसे